In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set page title and description, SEO, in Instapage. If you want your landing pages to show up clearly in search results and attract more clicks, setting the page title and meta description is essential. These two pieces of metadata tell search engines what your page is about and help searchers decide whether to click. The goal is to be accurate, compelling, and concise. Start by opening your Instapage dashboard and finding the landing page you want to work on. Click the page name to open its settings. On the right side, look for the panel that slides out and find the section labeled Search and Social. This is where the SEO metadata for each page is configured, and it's the place you'll return to whenever you need to update how your page appears on search engines and when it's shared on social platforms. In the page title field, type the title you want search engines to display. Aim for around 60 characters so it fits neatly without being cut off. Include your primary keyword and your brand name to reinforce relevance and trust. Keep it readable and specific, and try to match the promise of your page content. For example, instead of something vague, use a clear phrase that reflects the headline and the offer. Avoid keyword stuffing. One focused keyword is enough. Make sure every page on your site has a unique title so search engines can distinguish them. Next, move to the meta description field. This is your short pitch, about 120 to 160 characters, that explains what the page is about and why someone should click. Lead with the benefit, include a natural mention of your keyword, and finish with a soft call to action, like learn more or get started. Keep it conversational and accurate so the content of the page delivers on what you promise. Unique descriptions across pages help search engines understand your site and prevent duplication. While search engines may occasionally rewrite descriptions, providing a strong one gives you the best chance to control how your page appears. As you write, check how your title and description look together. They should complement each other and align with the on-page headline and offer. If Instapage shows a preview, use it to confirm that nothing is truncated and that the message is clear at a glance. That's it. By using the search and social section to set a focused page title and a persuasive meta description, you'll give your landing page the best shot at appearing relevant in search and earning the click.